So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Aarti Drug share. So today we have seen heavy correction in the market. Almost every stock has shown correction. So not only our markets but entire global markets were down today. So should we panic at this particular time? So definitely not. We should find an opportunity to add in best quality stock. So that is what we have discussed in the past week also. Nifty, if it falls, we have discussed some best stocks that we can add, and also we have discussed about Aarti Drugs in our previous videos, and also I have mentioned in Telegram section that you can add at 8-10 rupees level. So I have not mentioned the level, but I told that you can add in small quantities. So almost 2 days back we have discussed when it was trading near 8-10 rupees levels. So very surprisingly today also it has not shown some heavy correction, only minute fall was there. So whenever we discuss Aarti Drugs, we know that either uptrend or either downtrend, that is upper circuit or lower circuit, will be seen, but today only 2.5-2.6% change downfall was seen. So that is what we can say, decent fall, and it is also telling us that major downfall will not be present and only uptrend will start when the market starts moving in the positive direction. So I'll update everything when to buy, so join the Telegram group as well. So today we'll discuss the technicals of the Aarti Drugs. So we'll try to see what are the supports and what will be the next targets in the coming sessions. Okay, and also bonus issue, everything, I think all of people have got the bonus shares. So people have not got, so do mention in the comment section, so I'll personally message you. Okay, so everything will be cleared. So people who are new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to instantly notified. Okay, so first, if we see the basic overview, so here we see the market cap of the company is almost around 7,443 crore, and if you see the dividend, which is 0.25, and if you see industry P is 37.16 and current P, you can see it is near 39. So earlier we know that when it used to trade near 2,900, 2,800, so we know it was very difficult for the people to buy at that particular level, especially at that high P's. So currently the P is also reduced, the stock is also in stable conditions, and most importantly the market is in downtrend. So whenever market is in downtrend, so it is an opportunity for us. So we need to be very tricky, and you need to be very cautious when you're investing at any stock at high levels. So when market corrects, so we know that the stocks which have given more returns will start correcting. So as usual, so this particular stock has not given much downfall, so it is very lucky for people who bought at 850 or 860 rupees levels. Also definitely you can hold this particular stock, especially for long term. So mark the words, for long term this is a very good stock, and as usual we'll discuss the levels where we can add this particular stock. So when we see the volume analysis, so what we try to find out in volume analysis, so we try to find out how much amount of traded quantity is present and how much amount of deliverable quantity is present. So traded quantity is nothing but what we see the operators where they enter at low levels and they exit at high levels on the same day. So they catch the we can say 5 to 6% profit and they exit. So that is what is called trading. So when we see traded quantity, so clearly you can see that traded quantity is present, but we can see slight reduction is there. And if we see percentage deliverable quantity, so clearly you can see from 40 it has jumped to 48.8. It implies that many people are adding it into their demat account, so which is a good indication. So what we should do, so we also discussed near 8-10 rupees to add. So people have added at that particular level, do mention in the comment section. And today also it was an opportunity for us because it also present near 800. Again it's an opportunity for us to buy. So tomorrow also, if we I think tomorrow little bit positive movement will be present because today heavy correction was seen. So again, if you want to add at current levels also, you can definitely add. So when we see the returns of the company, so we know that in 1 week it has lost 21%. So we know that almost continuous upper circuits were seen. Almost it has crossed the 900 rupees level, and again it has started correcting. So again it's an opportunity for us as usual. So in 1 month 7% 3 months 125, and in 10 years, so you can see 10 years 4336% return. So multi-bagger. So these type of stocks, when they used to trade near penny, so people have bought at that particular levels, they would have earned way profit as compared to what generally we earn in positional trading or intraday trading. So that is what is difference between investing. So investing is an art, and you need to understand this, and on each and every fall, when you find any quality stock, so you need to add on dips. So we discuss all those stocks. Definitely watch all the videos, some quality stocks were discussed. So now we'll switch over to the technical charts and we'll see the levels. So before that, if we go to the indicator, so clearly you can see RSI is near 50 and money flow index near 72. So both of them are in the overbought region. So buying has happened. So little correction is also not happening, because whenever fundamentally strong stocks, whenever they correct, we see only minor correction. So today also, earlier when Aarti Drugs has given lower circuit of 10% from almost 900 rupees levels, again downtrend was there, but it has remained in consolidation phase. So right now consolidation is seen. At any point of time, again movement may start, so be attentive. So the levels where we can add, we'll discuss now. So if we see the technical chart, so this is the 1 day chart. So 1 day chart, clearly you can see when for 3 to 4 days upper circuit was seen, again we have seen 3 days downtrend. So currently it is in the consolidation phase. So 2%, 3% positive movement is consolidation. So whenever any stock approaches in that particular region, and money flow index is also flat, okay, so it is near the accumulation stage. So whenever market even corrects, so many big players also accumulate these type of stocks, especially for long term. Okay, so what can be done? So 800 is the very good level where you can add in this particular stock. As usual, add 2 to 3 stocks whenever you get an opportunity, and again whenever it corrects, again add 2 to 3 stocks. So on SIP basis you can add this particular stock, especially for long term. So 800 is the level. So definitely it should cross the 900 rupees level mark if the market sentiment is positive. So when the market will start shifting towards positive movement, definitely you can start expecting positive shifts in this stock as well. Okay, hope the level is clear. 800, 780, any of these two levels you can choose and enter at that particular levels. Okay, so hold patiently, patience is required. So whenever market corrects, so find the best quality stocks and keep on adding, but don't do selling. Selling is strictly avoided in fundamentally strong stocks. Okay, hope everything is clear. So if you like the video, definitely like it, and if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe and join the Telegram section. So until then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.